Well, I was looking to hear about this morning. Ploughing match. Another little do. And I'll just have a slow pan round. There's quite a lot here. There's another little do on I was thinking of going to, and as I say, luckily I just heard about this morning. Food, quite a lot of tractors here, look again. So it's a day out. The only thing is it's a bit breezy and it's a bit cool. It's alright, we're not complaining, but they should. It was supposed to be quite warm today. It's 70 and it's not. It's 60 odd. It's all right. But you need your coat on. That's all. Right. We're going to find something a bit more interesting, eh? Well, it's nice to see something on the working, isn't it? Lots of different classes. There is, and over here there's even some garden tractors. How about that? Got me back to the wind still. I'm going to turn around in a minute just to show you something. Like I said, I'm trying to do it a little bit differently now. So you've got to get a bit of wind now. It's a bit breezy, but if you look, turn around. You see that tent in the distance? Well, that's where my car is, where we started. And it goes right to the other side of the field. As I say, I'm not zoomed in, so it's looking doubly as big as it is, but all the same, quite a view here. Well, I've just come down. There's a couple of those marshals here, look. See? I'll just have a walk up. Just to show you this, and there's some old Fordsons over there. Just chatting to one bloke, and this is one thing I wouldn't be particularly interested in doing, because it's got match ploughing today, like everything. It's got very competitive, and for me it takes the fun out. For me it takes the fun out, but as I say, that's just me. So we're having a walk about in the field, and the wind's dropped a bit, and the sun's almost coming out, so the day's getting better. You'll have seen these tractors at the shows. Definitely, some of these are a bit like the show, not all of them. But you see, I'm just showing you that because it's not something you see every day, is it? There's some more standard Fordsons. Look, quite a few. Wind's got in. There's one. But how many are here? Two. There's one over there that we know. I don't know the chap, but I do know the tractor. They're all doing a reasonable job, aren't they? Oh, and just for Vince, we've got 2 station engines here. Not too many. 1 or 2 interesting ones, as usual. But this is what we want, you see. Because it's not a big line, not enough to bore you. Nice picture there. And we've got 2 steam engines ploughing, look. See? There's the plough going down. And right in the distance, they're doing a good long run. That's an engine pulling it. showed you this at same age. It's at Boston 2 years ago. Yeah. Right, we're not quite made it to the other end. Just to show you what happens, they shrunk the engine up a bit. Either end. Everyone knows how this works, but there's a wire rope between the two engines. And it's a reversible plough that tips, and you've got two blokes sat on it. One steering and one working the plough. And they drag it between the two, shunting up each time as they go. So, you know, there you are, nearly got there. You can probably see them tipping the plough the other way. Not quite near enough, but you get the idea. I'm sure you get the idea. Now they'll mount the plough, these two old blokes will. In a minute, this engine will hoot, which signals the engine the other end to pull them back. Right, there we are, look away they go. And he moves his engine forward, you see, now, for the next pull. Oh, we found Alice, look. How about that? You know, of all these tractors here, as far as I can see, look, right in the distance, I'll keep the camera down a bit so you can see them all, and I've shown you up there, the whole lot, big field full of tractors. Look how many's here, but there's quite a lot anyway, and do you know what, they're all either Fergies, Fords of all different ages, or internationals. How about that? So it just shows you what's the preferred tractor of choice, eh? Probably. Or probably it's just that mine's more rare. I don't know. Well, I found one. How about that? I'm eating a bacon sandwich and catching near me chewing. So they are. And people go on about my tractors, about Nuffield's and the price and one thing and another. I reckon I've got one of the rarest tractors there is. Even though there's lots about. There's one at this show and one last weekend. There you go.